Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. This is me Kavya from Chhattisgarh. So guys, are you also struggling to think in English? There are a lot of learners who are facing this problem. So are you also struggling to think in English? You have tried a lot of method but no one worked. So you know what? Some days ago one of my friend, she asked me that how can I think in English, because I have tried a lot of method but no one worked. So I shared with her 4 simple method which I have already applied in my journey when I was beginner. So I shared with her. So I thought let's share with you also, so that it can train your brain to think directly in English. So these 4 methods are very simple and easy and effective too. So let's jump into the video and see what all the methods. First is talk to yourself like a vlogger. Yes friend, talk to yourself like you are a vlogger. You know what, when I was beginner, I used to watch English vlogs. So I thought that I am a vlogger. I used to think that I am a vlogger and I am speaking with, I am talking to my audience. And this helped me a lot. Like I used to say, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going outside, I am walking and there are a lot of trees in my home and I will make this food today. So like this, I used to think this, right? So in this way you have to think, you have to talk to yourself like a vlogger. So think in your mind that you are talking to your audience and whatever thoughts will come, just speak. Or if you are into watching vlog video, then repeat, shadow them. Whatever the vlogger speak in her or his video, then just shadow him or them. Okay, so this is first method which is really unique and interesting. So second is create mini stories, mini movies in your mind. So how you can create mini movie in your mind? Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes and imagine that you are in a cafe. Okay, and you are ordering food. Imagine you are ordering food. So for example, how you can say, I am ordering food, the waiter is smiling, I am sitting near window and the hotel is so spotless. So like this you can create mini movie in your mind, and if you want you can speak loud. Okay, so this was the second method. And third is replace Hindi questions with English question. So now we ask so many questions in a day. So we ask in Hindi. So what you have to do is you have to ask into English, right? So just ask in English. So if you want something, for example, if you want to say मुझे पानी चाहिए, then say I need water. Can you please give me water? I am thirsty. Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? क्या तुम यहाँ आ सकती हो? Can you come here? So like this we ask so many questions in Hindi. So replace into English. Okay. And fourth method is 3 words method, which is called 333 method. Okay. So what is it? See any adjective, whatever you see. For example, if this is lemon tree. Okay, so think 3 words about this lemon tree. For example, I'll show you an example. Okay, I'll give you an example. So this is, tall. First, tall. Second, beautiful. Obviously, it's beautiful. And third, green. So whatever you see, if you see your phone, speak say 3 words about it. And if you see mother, then describe 3 words, then say 3 words about your mother. Okay, for example, you can say love, obviously, and second, stunning, third, cute. So like this you can say 3 words about any whatever you see. Okay, so these are simple and effective methods which I have shared with you. So try this from try to speak like talking to yourself like a vlogger, and create mini movie in your mind. Fourth, replace Hindi question into English. And fourth, triple three method, 3 words method, which are really useful for us. If you really want to think in English, then try this and see result for yourself. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. And most important, if you really like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.